Okay, now we'll see what is perspective transformation. So here we are going to consider XYZ plane. So capital X, capital Y and capital Z, okay, are called as world coordinates, and small x, small y and small z are for camera. So what we want to find out is, if the point P having coordinates capital X, capital Y and capital Z is there in the world coordinate, we want to find out the image of this point on camera's photographic plate or plane. Okay, so what we are doing here is, we are going to draw a line from point P to the plane which will pass through a focal point. So focal point is given here O, and the focal length is O1O, that is lambda. It is given, okay. The small xyz are camera coordinates, that's what I told you just now. So Pi is the image of P having coordinates x and y. Okay, so three-dimensional point is becoming two-dimensional here. And the triangle here, Pi, O1, O and P, Q and O, they are similar triangles. Okay, so we want to find out the relationship between capital XY and small xy. For similar triangles here, x upon lambda will be equal to minus capital X upon z minus lambda. Can I say this is a z minus lambda? Yeah, because this is what? This is z, this entire length is z and this is lambda. So this will be what? Z minus lambda. Okay. So what we are saying is, small x upon lambda equal to capital X upon z minus lambda. So this is what is written here. Okay. Why minus sign? Because the image side and the object side are situated on the opposite sides of the camera's focal point. Okay. So we know that image is always, whatever image we get, it's an inverted image. Okay, that's why it is represented by a minus sign. And so can I write this as this? Yes, I am just because of the minus sign I am taking lambda minus z. Similarly, we will get this in y, in terms of y. So y upon z equal y upon lambda equal to minus y upon z minus lambda, that is equal to y upon lambda minus z. Now we are interested in finding out small xy in terms of world coordinates x, capital Y and capital Z. So from here you will get x small x equal to lambda x upon lambda minus z and small y equal to lambda y upon lambda minus z. Now world coordinate vector is given by W, and there are three coordinates, capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Okay. Now just for a better representation purpose and to make the system easy, okay, we are using the homogeneous coordinate system. So this is known as, for homogeneous world coordinates we represent that by WH. H is for homogeneous. So here, see here, K is a constant, Kx, Ky, Kz and K. So if you divide this Kx by K, you will get the original world coordinate vector if K is equal to 1. Okay. So we want to find out now homogeneous camera coordinate. So CH is a camera, C for camera, H for homogeneous, and W is for world, H for homogeneous. So CH and WH both are 4 by 1. So we want to find out perspective transformation matrix, which is represented by P. It is 4 by 4. So the relationship will be what? CH equal to P into WH. P is given by this. It's a 4 by 4 matrix. Okay. And then by substituting this 3 and 1 in 2, we get CH equal to this. Okay. You can try solving this and you will get the same answer, CH. So CH is what? It's a camera coordinate but homogeneous camera coordinates. Now, to get C from CH, okay, CH was homogeneous, we want to get C. So divide all elements of CH by last element. So last element was what? This was the last element. Okay, so we have to divide each one of this by this element. So we'll get C equal to small x, small y, small z, and this is what we are getting. Okay. And from previous expression we already have this small x and small y. Okay. So we will get, okay, in our case, whatever example I have taken, there z is equal to 0. Okay. We have only x and y. So if the camera point is given, how to calculate word point? Camera point is given to you. Just now what we have seen, we had a word point and we found out a camera point. Now if the camera point is given, then how to calculate word point? Okay. So WH equal to P inverse of CH. So P you know, so you can compute P inverse, and P inverse is given by this. Okay, there is just a sign difference over here. Now given image point is x0, y0 and 0. This is a given point on a camera plate. Okay. So CH will be what? Kx0, ky0, 0 and k. Okay. So when you substitute this in this WH, you will get this kx0, ky0, 0 and k. So now you can see that we are getting the same values for camera homogeneous and word homogeneous coordinate. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is we are getting the object point at image plane itself. So is it correct? Is it correct to get the same? The object point and image point. Why this is happening? Because in this diagram, okay, for this particular point, okay, for this particular point, we got this image. Okay. But for this image can be of any point on this line. So this is not 1:1 correspondence. I repeat again, for this particular point you got this particular image, that is 1:1. But is it like reverse is 1:1? No, because for this particular image the point can be anywhere on this line. Okay, so that's why we are getting the camera homogeneous point and object point is same. Okay, so what is written here? An object point on the line PPI gives the same image point PI. From object point to image point, it is not 1:1 mapping. This is what I told you. So it is a many to one mapping. Hence finding or recovering P from PI is not possible. Okay, some extra information is required. That is what the information of Z is required. Then only you can find out the object point from the image point.